graham cracker nut logs.
It's something very different for your cookie tray. Something very quick and easy to put together, no bake, and it makes a lot.
Start out with 1 cup of butter that has been cut into small pieces. So microwave this for about 1 minute, and we're gonna add 16 ounces of miniature marshmallows to our butter. We're just gonna toss the marshmallows until they're coated in some of the butter. Now this is going back in the microwave for another minute. So just like making a Rice Krispies treat, you're gonna keep stirring this until your marshmallows are melted. My marshmallows didn't melt completely, so this is going back in the microwave for another minute. You wanna make sure every marshmallow is melted. Now I'm sprinkling in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm also gonna stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and that is optional. I love vanilla with pecans, so I want vanilla in there. For graham crackers, you're going to use an entire box. This is a 15.25 ounce box. So we're going all in with that entire box, which was 27 crackers. And we're adding 2 cups of chopped pecans. Now I toasted my pecans. That step is also optional, but I do think toasting your pecans brings out more of that nuttiness flavor.
We have to work fast here because this sets up pretty quickly. I'm going to use this butter sleeve to butter my fingers. I have a jelly roll pan that I have covered with sifted powdered sugar. I'm just going to form this into a log the best I can. You can do half at the time. So roll them up in some wax paper. I actually placed my logs out in the garage, which is pretty cold because the high today was 35, and these set up in about an hour. So if you place them in the refrigerator, be sure and remove them after about an hour because you don't want them to get so hard that you can't slice through them. They have kind of a unique texture and a great flavor.